Hello, wise investors. Welcome to another update. And on this update, I will be making some announcements along with going over some very important information concerning how we're going to start delivering our signals. So let's get right to it. There's a lot of changes, good changes that are taking place as Win University continues to evolve. And I don't want to go into the whole story about how we have evolved to this point. I do encourage you to go to the website, and there's a brief description there. Actually, I'm on the website, and if you just go to the front page, you can kind of read the description here, just a general overview on how we've evolved to Win University. And for those of you who are looking to become wise, okay, especially wise investors in your minds, that's very important. That concept, that understanding is very critical to understanding who we are and how we operate. All right. So, for those of you who are very interested in learning how to become wise investors, wise online investors, then pay very close attention to this offer. There's a special offer taking place, and it's for a limited time, but I highly encourage you to take advantage of this opportunity. And as you can see at the top of the website, there is a 60 days Forex Signals. For those of you who are interested in receiving signals for the next 60 days, then pay attention, very close attention, to find out how you can get access to our 60 days of Forex Signals. Now, I must say this, it's not only limited to Forex Signals. So for those of you who are interested in receiving other signals, we also have those signals available as well. What other signals am I talking about? Well, we cover not only the Forex market, all right, but we also cover the commodities market. We have commodity signals. We also have cryptocurrency signals. And we also have indices. So if you're interested in those, then you also can get access to this as well. And one more, another one that we used to have, so I brought it back again, and that's the stock market as well. So we also have signals for those of you who are looking to invest in the stock market. So pay very, very close attention. And this is how you can get the 60 days. You can either purchase our ebook, Easy Forex Trading, or you can obtain a Win University membership. It's a paid membership for Win University. All right, you will just visit our website and click on the products and services link, and it will take you to the pricing page, and you'll be able to find the link there. Now, if for some reason we're editing the website, so if for some reason it isn't there, you can always click on this green button here, contact us on WhatsApp, and it will take you to our Win University representative, and she will be more than happy to assist you on how to get started with your 60 days of signals. Now, enough of that, because there's a lot more to announce, but I don't want to make this video too long because I have a lot of other videos to make. So I will get right into the signals portion, and we will be doing signals a little differently. I used to do this in the past, and I'm gonna go ahead and go back to the this format. So I will be going over signals like this, and if I'm not on this device, I'll be on a different device. Either way, but I will be giving signals, and I will be showing you the signals from the MetaTrader 4. Now, this account is a demo account. If you look to the bottom right of this account, you'll be able to see the amount, which is 100,000 US dollars, and it is in positive. It's moving in a positive direction overall. And we can see that there are different types of assets that are listed here. If you look under the column that says symbol, you can see all the different assets. The first two being stock market symbols, Apple and Airbnb. And if we go past the first four stock market signals, we can see the next one is Australian Canadian dollar. Now, all of these assets follow a specific aspect of the Forex Helper strategy. That's the name of the strategy, by the way. And it's a very highly successful strategy. So if you follow this strategy and you get access to the financial market report, pay very close attention. You must get access to the financial market report. All right. So if you get the 60 days by purchasing our ebook, or you can get the 60 days by purchasing a subscription of a Win University membership, you'll get access to the financial market report. You got that? So the financial market report, if you look at the assets that are listed on the report, you'll find that there are two aspects that are listed per asset. What do I mean by that? So let's look at Australian dollar, Canadian dollar. Let's look at this one right here. So if you look at the report, the financial market report that you're going to get access to once you become a member or once you make a purchase of the ebook. Only the ebook, remember, that's only a special offer for now. It's going to expire. So if you're watching this video in the future and it's no longer available, then just contact us and we'll let you know if we have any other special offers at the time. But you'll get access to the report. When you look in the report and you see AUDCAD, you're going to see it's going to be duplicated. So you're going to see one that will be in purple and it will say CMV, which stands for current market value. And you'll have another one that says CMM, which stands for current market movement. This account right here that's in profit is reflective of the current market movement, the current market movement aspect of the Forex Helper strategy. It's very important to understand. So if we're looking at another account, I'll also let you know what account is being, what aspect of the strategy is being reflective of that account. But for this case, CMM, which is the orange part of the asset that's being listed on the financial market report. I hope that I'm clear on that. If you have any questions, just contact us. We can answer your questions if it's not clear. Okay, so there you have it, guys. I mean, that's pretty much it. I don't want to go too much into too many details here, but I will say a couple of things before I close out on this video. So let's just take a look at this particular asset, which is highlighted AUDCAD. So with this one, we decided to sell it, and it was open. The open time was on April 14th. As of right now, the time of this recording, at the top left, you can see the time and the date. It is Wednesday, April 20th. So on the 14th, we placed a trade and we are already in profit. Okay, so you can utilize the same strategy regardless if you're using a real account or a demo account. The strategy is still the same. It's the concept of the strategy. Remember, we focus on long term. So in this case, this particular asset has began to mature. You'll usually find things maturing around this time, but it depends on the asset. So As you can see, some assets haven't matured yet. Like here we have Airbnb, which is a stock market asset. It hasn't matured yet. But let's take a look at another asset besides stock and Forex. So let's look at indices. We have an indices asset that was opened on April 4th. So it's right now April 20th. So you can kind of guesstimate, give and take. Of course, we don't count the weekends, just the 5 regular trading days. Okay. So we can see a little over 14 days or roughly around that, we came to some maturity with this asset. Okay. And one more, and we have Bitcoin. Here we have a Bitcoin that was also opened a little earlier in the month of April, same time, same date, or I should say at least the same date, April 4th. Again, we find that we're in profit, but we decided to sell. We decided to sell this Bitcoin. Now, if you have access to the report, you too will be able to see that under the cryptocurrency section of the report, that Bitcoin is being sold. It's very important. Looking at the CMM, which stands for current market movement. So when you look at that orange part and you see that it's being sold, you can roughly guesstimate anywhere from 10 to 20 days, you'll get some maturity in your account using the Forex Helper strategy. Okay? Current market movement to be precise. Now, if you use current market value, which is the CMV, which is indicated by being purple, it'll take a little longer for your account to mature because that asset is going off of a much more longer trading aspect of the Forex Helper strategy. I hope you caught that, and I hope you understand that. If you don't fully understand, that's okay. Just contact us and we'll be more than happy to assist you on understanding what is current market value and what is current market movement. Okay. But here we find that in roughly 14 days or so of trading days, we were able to profit from making that decision, again, according to the strategy principles outlined in the Forex Helper strategy, that once we sold this Bitcoin asset, within this time frame, we were able to profit from it. Now, you too can do the same thing. Just apply what you see on our report, and you'll be able to do and have the same results. So that's very important to understand. Make sure you follow what is indicated on our report. Now, I won't go into looking into the report and talking about where to look on the report. That's a topic for another video. In fact, I've covered that in previous videos. So go back and take a look at the different series that I've had in the past pertaining to the financial market report. But for now, I'm going to close this video out. And once again, if you want access to that financial market report, where you can also utilize the same information in your account and try it out for yourself, then visit our website. Contact us. You can click on that green button here where it says chat with us on WhatsApp, or you can click on anywhere on the site that has to do with contact us, and one of our representatives will be more than happy to assist you and get you started. So take advantage right now. If you're watching this video and you want to use this strategy and test it out for yourself so you can see for yourself that it works. Because I'm going to tell you right now is the opportunity to make wise decisions. If you're being presented with something that's going to be an opportunity for you, I highly encourage you to take advantage of that, especially in these days. These opportunities won't be around for long. All right? So if you can read between the lines, I hope you're wise if you're able to read between the lines, and you'll be even wiser if you take advantage of this great opportunity that's being presented to you. This is Gabriel, and remember, only winners invest in their minds for wiser returns.